On the farm there's a cow, mooing loud and proud. Let's spell it out now. C-O-W, C-O-W. A cow says moo, let's spell it out loud. Farm animals, oh what a sight, learning their names day and night. Farm animals, spell them with me. Sing along, 1, 2, 3. In the field there's a horse, galloping with such force. Let's spell it, of course. H-O-R-S-E, H-O-R-S-E. A horse says neigh, spell it out with me. Farm animals, oh what a sight, learning their names day and night. Farm animals, spell them with me. Sing along, 1, 2, 3. In the pen there's a pig, rolling in the mud. It's big, let's spell it out big. P-I-G, P-I-G. A pig says oink, spell it out with glee. Farm animals, oh what a sight, learning their names day and night. Farm animals, spell them with me. Sing along, 1, 2, 3. In the coop there's a chicken, clucking all around. Let's begin to spell it. C-H-I-C-K-E-N, C-H-I-C-K-E-N. A chicken says cluck, spell it out again. Farm animals, oh what a sight, learning their names day and night. Farm animals, spell them with me. Sing along, 1, 2, 3. From the cow in the field to the horse with great zeal, from the pig in the pen to the chicken with its hen. Farm animals, oh what a sight, learning their names day and night. Farm animals, spell them with me. Sing along, 1, 2, 3. Farm animals we've learned today. C-O-W-H-O-R-S-E, P-I-G-N, C-H-I-C-K-E-N. Let's sing it again and again.
Hello, everyone. I'm Ruby, and today we are going to be visiting the farm.
And I'm Benny. What will we be learning at the farm, Ruby?
The different animals you might see there. Here you can see a cow. Benny, do you know how to spell cow?
It's C-O-W. That's how you spell cow.
C-O-W. That's amazing, Benny.
Ruby, look, it's a horse.
Horse. That's spelled H-O-R-S-E.
That's great, Ruby. Horse is spelt H-O-R-S-E.
Look over there, Benny. I can see a pig. Can you spell pig for us, Benny?
P-I-G.
P-I-G. That's great, Benny.
Is that chickens? I can see over there, Ruby.
That's right. They are chickens. And chicken is spelled C-H-I-C-K-E-N.
That's amazing, Ruby. C-H-I-C-K-E-N. Chicken.